Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad that you stopped by. So now in this video, if you wish to know on how to add music to Instagram post, then this video tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. So the very first thing that we have to do is of course open our Instagram application. Let's just go here in our home page, and here in the bottom section, let's go click and add this add button in here. So now let's go on and look for post. So here in the post, just click that and look for an image or a video that you wanted to post. So for instance, this one. So now let me click next. So here you'll be able to add music already. So I'm just not going to click this because of copyright issues and so on. But as for you, especially if you have a particular music in mind, you can just simply click this search bar and go on and type your music there. So one thing that you have to consider is to know the type or the account type that you have. What do I mean by that? Make sure that your account is not in a business mode or not a business account, because sometimes if your account is in a business mode, then there will be some restrictions due to copyright. So if ever you're having some trouble, then just switch to creator account or your personal account. So how do we do that? So if ever you are in a business account, just go and click this three line in here on the upper right corner, and then go on and look for creator tools and controls and go to switch account type. So as for mine, it's already in creator account, so it says in here to switch to business or personal account. So in your case, just go on and switch to creator account or personal account. So that's it. So let's go back to the post. So like for instance, I'm going to put this one on. Let's click next, and then let's choose a music. So it's playing in the background. Then next. So now in here you can just simply click that to add caption. So for instance, we're just going to put hi and some lovely emoji in here. You can also put some poll, a prompt, and so on. You can also tag people, add your location, and here's the important part, the music is already added. So now let's just go on and share, and let's see how this one will look. Okay, so it's already posted. So as you can see here in the upper left corner, you'll be able to see that the music is already added. So that's it for this video for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content, and also hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.